Who's your DNA Addy?
In a world full of possibilities and questionable decisions, one woman seeks the truth. Who is the baby daddy?
I just have to find out who the real father is. I can't keep calling them both maybe daddy forever.
Obviously mine. Look at that chin dimple. Classic family trait.
Or maybe it's my dazzling eye shape. That's called the phenotype, bruh. Okay, guys, it's time to settle this with science. Time for gel electrophoresis.
Before we start the procedure, it's important that we follow proper lab safety guidelines. First, make sure sleeves are rolled back. No loose jewelry should be hanging either. Next, make sure you tie long hair up. And finally, always wear safety goggles when handling chemicals. This will protect your eyes. Now, let's get started. Gel electrophoresis is like CSI meets Jello. We take DNA samples, say from the baby and the maybes, chop them up with special enzymes called restriction enzymes, and run them through an agarose gel with an electric current. The smaller the DNA fragments, the farther they travel. Then, we can compare the bands or distance that each fragment traveled, and from this analysis, we can ultimately decide who the real father is. What you're seeing now is the process in which gel electrophoresis is carried out. Can you see the fragments move through the gel?
If the baby's DNA bands match up with one of the guys, then congrats, he's the dad. If not, then we're all just here awkwardly for moral support.
So how does the baby even get those genes? It all starts here with meiosis, the process that creates gametes, sperm and egg. Meiosis divides one cell into 4 daughter cells, going from 2N to N when describing chromosome counts. The gametes then meet and during fertilization create a zygote or a baby. During prophase 1, crossing over happens. Homologous chromosomes swap genetic material called alleles, which code for traits, making each sperm or egg unique. The process is then followed by metaphase, anaphase, telophase, prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, and telophase 2.
This was your baby's karyotype. A karyotype is a map of all the baby's chromosomes. We can check if there's the right number. If not, you might be looking at some mutations or chromosomal disorders, like non-disjunction.
Is everything all right?
Yeah, perfectly normal, 46 chromosomes. There's no mutations, deletions, or any wild party tricks. Perfect.
If the baby has blue eyes and I got brown eyes, but my mom had blue eyes.
Enter dominant and recessive alleles. Brown eyes, big B, dominate blue eyes, little b. You could be big B, little b, carrying a blue eye gene in secret.
Sit down, Beta. I run this place. But I'm still here, carried quietly for generations. Aww.
We could also look at a pedigree chart, a family tree for traits. Like, if hemophilia runs in a family, then this is what it would look like. And it's mostly sex-linked, affecting males.
So, if my grandma had web toes, does that mean?
Still not relevant. Stay focused.
The reveal.
Well, the father is...
Huh?
Well, surprise. It's neither of you.
Oh no.
Oh no!
Wesh!
What?
Are we talking about the baby? Hey, little guy. That's my dad for sure. We both have elite hairlines.
And that, kids, is how science helps solve mysteries. Through gel electrophoresis, karyotyping, meiosis and crossing over, the possibility of mutations, and more, we crack the case.
Thanks, science. Sorry, random dudes.
Whatever.
Let's go, fam. Allons-y, les amis.
not gonna work. Can we go thrift shopping?
What?
Oh, wait. Great ass.
Oh mon dieu! Oh mon dieu!
Fine.
Baguette. Tu penses avec du
And you
fromage.
guys are like, what are
Antoine.
Yum yum yum.
Le
jambon.
You say
Avec la salade.
Let me.
Thanks.
How's that?
About to go and get some compliments. Passing those moccasins. Someone else has been walking in by me. I am stunting and flossing and saving my money, and I'm hella happy that's a bargain. Take your grandpa style. I'ma take your grandpa style. No, for real. Ask your grandpa. Can I have his hand me down? Velour suit and some house slippers. Dookie brown leather jacket that I found. Dig it. They had a broken keyboard. I bought a broken keyboard. I bought a ski blanket. Then I bought a kneeboard. Hello, my ace man. My
This was your baby's This was your baby's karyotype. The map of all the baby's chromosomes. We can look if there's the right number. If not, we might be looking at some mutations or chromosomal disorders, non-dysfunction. Is everything okay? Yeah.
Looking for a come up. This is being awesome.
What she knowing about wearing a fur fox skin? I'm digging, I'm searching right through that luggage. One man's trash, that's another.